In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable document downloads in Pandadoc. This is really useful if you want tighter control over how recipients interact with your documents. For example, there might be times when you're sharing sensitive information and you don't want people saving a local copy, or other times when you specifically want them to be able to download and store the document. Pandadoc gives you a simple way to manage that on a per document or per template basis. First, make sure you're logged into your Pandadoc account and you're in the latest user interface. Once you're in, start by opening the specific document or template that you want to adjust. This could be a contract, a proposal, an agreement, or any template you reuse. It's important to remember that changes you make here will only affect this particular document or template, not everything in your workspace. With the document or template open, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with different options related to the document. In that right-hand panel, find and click the button labeled Manage Recipients. This is where you control who can access the document and what they're allowed to do with it. After you click Manage Recipients, a list of the people who can view or sign the document will appear. At the bottom of that same panel, you'll see an option that says Manage Recipients Permissions. Go ahead and click that. This section is dedicated to fine-tuning what your recipients are allowed to do, beyond just viewing or signing. Inside the permissions area, look for a setting called Allow Downloading. This is the key option for controlling document downloads. You'll see a simple toggle switch next to it. If you want to prevent recipients from downloading the document, switch Allow Downloading to Off. This means they can still view the document online, but they won't be able to save a copy to their device. If you'd like them to be able to download it, toggle Allow Downloading to On. That will restore or enable the download option for them. Once you've set the toggle the way you want, your change is applied to that document or template. It's a good idea to quickly review your settings and, if possible, test with a non-critical document so you're confident your recipients see exactly what you expect. And that's all there is to it. Open your document or template, go to Manage Recipients, open Manage Recipients Permissions, and adjust the Allow Downloading toggle.